When you're an industry leader, you help set the standard for quality, innovation, and service. And that's why we're proud to salute Ron Browning of FuneralHomeResource.com as this month's industry leader. NFDA TV reporter Dana Brooks has that story.
The Internet is a vast resource for information that can sometimes be overwhelming. It's important to capitalize on all of the resources out there when it comes to getting your website noticed. This month's industry leader, Ron Browning, and his team of web designers are Internet marketing experts.
So what we do is we help consult the funeral homes about the different options they have for marketing online. With almost 70% of the people now using the Internet instead of the Yellow Pages, it's very important that you have an idea of what you're doing with your online marketing. So we provide a directory, we provide websites that are search engine optimized, which means that they're more visible to Google and the other search engines.
Browning and his staff think of every detail when designing each website. Creating a website that is designed nicely is just the beginning when it comes to website creation. The most important factor to consider is where your site pops up in a Google or other search engine listing.
When you optimize a site for search, it's going to get you out there. It's going to get you more visible. It's not the end-all be-all. Now, if you want to take it to the next step and really start gaining some market share and taking some business from your competitors, you might want to investigate search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is where you start linking to other websites. You may have articles written and become a trusted source. So the more of these things that you do and the more people that you have looking at your site as a source of information, the more value Google puts on you and the higher you get listed in searches.
It's important to create a site that has all of these factors in mind. Before the layout is even designed, specific words need to be thought of to gain visibility online.
We create every website from scratch. So we do a custom design and we'll work with you. You know, it may be that you want a beach scene or a nature scene or any scene that you want, really. And then we'll work with you on a bunch of different aspects of the site. You'll give us some basic information. We'll interview you and we'll find out a little bit about your funeral home and the area and everything else. And then our staff will actually build that out.
Ron Browning really understands the mechanics of Internet marketing. Thanks, Ron, for all that you do. Bobby Florence, back to you.